What's up, everybody? But today we're nearing the final stages of the EP3. We're just gonna put back some trim pieces together, and we got this carbon fiber piece from Kaiser yesterday. We're gonna install that as well, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I threw the RPF ones on it, so let me know what you think. Right now the fitment is disgusting. It's a Mexi Flesh fit, but I had to move the wheels over because my FG4 got hit. I don't know if you guys seen it recently. I'll show you right now. But yeah, there it is. Yeah, of course it looks gross with this fitment and with that poke, but I just need to lower it and then camera it and it'll be cool. But I like the way it looks for now. I'm not tripping, it's not a show car. But yeah, we threw the stocks back onto this one because I got hit by somebody right here. Not too sure who it was, but it looked like they were doing a U-turn, and then as they were backing up, they hit my car and they dipped out. But it's cool. It's whatever. Little bitches. We're just gonna come back harder. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet for that, but we're just gonna focus on the EP3 for now. This is the carbon piece that we got from Kaiser. As you can tell, it is a beautiful piece. Look at that. I love it. From far away, it looks black. Well, on camera it does. But yeah, I love it. It's like a little extra piece, extra, like, you know, look or whatever. And all I need is the red badge that goes here, which I already should have. I might have thrown it away at Zamir's house. I'm not sure. Zamir's gonna look for that, so we'll see. We'll see what's up for that. But yeah. So manual focus or autofocus? I hope this is on autofocus. I haven't used this camera in so long. My other camera is dead. But yeah, there it is. Installed the lip already. I don't think I did a video on that. I just wanted to get it through. But yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So yeah, let's install this before I run out of battery. All right, there she is. My camera died, so now I'm filming on my iPhone. But yes, look at that. Smooth, won't go anywhere. It's all bolted in now. Yeah, I love it. It looks good. I'm just missing the Honda badge, which I'm still waiting to get. And that's it, to be honest. I need to paint these little covers that go down here. I'll do those eventually. What else needs to be done? That's pretty much it on this car. Yeah, I don't know what else. Just fix the fitment. And oh yeah, and we're waiting on this. So I'm doing wiper delete. I ordered this from Kill All Wipers, and I'm still waiting on it. It's shipping from the UK, so it's taking quite a while. So whenever that gets here, we'll do a video on that, short one. But yeah, let's go check on the trim pieces. I'm doing these right now. I'm painting them. That way I can install them today. And I think I'm gonna paint these two black. It's the interior door handles. So we'll get doing that now. So here's my little ghetto paint setup. I'm already pretty deep into this. I'm just gonna finish it off with one more coat, heavy coat on there. Then I'm gonna start the little handles, let them dry, and then install them when they're dry later today in a couple hours. Yeah, this is my little ghetto setup, so let's do it. Okay, here's an update on the trim pieces. They're drying. I sprayed these two with clear coat already. And then this one, they're completely black now, so we're just gonna wait for it to dry so we can clear coat that as well. Yeah, hopefully it dries enough by the end of the day. If not, tomorrow morning we're gonna have to put it back on. Yeah, it's really cold, so the process is taking a lot longer. Anyways, this is a couple days later now. We got the parts on the car. I hope you can see me. It's really dark now. I just want to get this video out of the way. Here it is with the actual piece on. It's been raining, so that's why it's all like disgusting looking and all. So yeah. Oh, my shit died. Cool. Anyways, yeah, so I had to take off the mirror to put it back on. In case you're wondering, let's put it back on. And now we finally got this in the wiper delete, which we're gonna just install now because it's been raining and I just wanna complete it. So, what do you call it? The sealant around the little square. You just pretty much just push it in. So let's open it up. All right, so from what I've seen in the video is that the logo goes inside. So it'll be placed in like this, basically. And the backside is the actual film, covers it. So let's take this out. Oh, then you put it on like this. Okay. So open this up. That. Then we puncture that hole with the back end of the cap. Punctured, sealant's right there. Okay, I hope that's enough. Pretty fucking caked. We're gonna plug it in now. Oh. I'm just gonna hold it on there for a bit. I know there's tape on there still. I'll just leave that on there too to hold it in place. Check the underside of it, the back side of it. It's gonna need a lot more sealant around that. Okay. Sorry for that. The last few clips of the wiper delete. It was very late at night, but here's the final product. I gotta clean around it still. I'm just letting it settle in for a couple days and I'll clean it and it'll look 100% flush. Here's the trim pieces on the car in the daylight. So we're looking A1 again.
You copy?
A1. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more. And yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get coils next and camber kit to fix this fitment. If you're wondering about the size of these wheels, they're 17x9 plus 22 offset. And yeah, that's it. So like and subscribe and see you on the next one.